What is going on, YouTube? Tom here. We are on our way to yet another car show. And let's see who's in the Christmas spirit here.
I love Christmas.
Let's see, we got a headband, we got wine glass.
It's got a Santa hat. Don't forget that.
Yeah, she's in the spirit. Not that I'm not, but we are going to a Toys for Tots car show over at Wiregrass. So, of course, we got toys. You got them Dentist Barbie.
I wanted Nurse Barbie, but you know, that's good enough. Occupation is good for a girl, so.
Yep, always with the Barbies. And then I, of course, got them a Hot Wheels set once again. Basically, we got these kids our favorite toys growing up. Yeah, one of these days we'll get Nurse Barbie.
We can only hope. Now, this time she'll probably have a mask on and her eyes will be all bleh, but you know.
Well, it's the face shield.
Yes, the face shield.
The wine. Mm-hmm. I should make Essential Worker Ken, which would basically be me with work boots, very sore feet, also the tired eyes, but, you know, hey, who am I, right? We're essential. We've been essential this whole time in 2020. Yeah, I'm on week, I don't even know what, of overtime, so you gotta forgive me for not making a whole lot of videos. I've been tired, but Wiregrass is gonna be fun. It's usually a lot of classic cars, which, guess who likes the classics?
I love my classics.
Basically, I'm not gonna put my car in the car show because it's basically a car detailing competition, and my car is never clean. I don't have the time to fully detail it. So, we're gonna go get food first, because there's very good restaurants over there, and then we're going to go to the car show. Cold start?
Why not?
Alright, on our way to go get some food, because guess who's hungry?
Mexican is my favorite restaurant.
I got a pretty good Mexican place here, so we're gonna stop in there, get some food, and then go start checking out cars. Because, yeah, we see a whole bunch on the way in here. It's like a GT350 over behind all these cars. Very nice looking. Alright, got our food. Now we got the toys in hand. So now we gotta find where to drop them off at.
Work off the 500 pounds we just ate.
It's good food, don't get me wrong, but boy, that's some heavy food.
I feel like I ate like 500 calories.
500, mine was 1,200 on the menu. It's like 500, that'd be late meal. So.
You're right, 500 pounds of calories maybe?
Yeah, it was good food, boy, that's some heavy stuff. So eventually we will find this drop-off location and actually get to looking at cars. I know y'all came to this vlog for cars, so we'll get to cars eventually.
Hit myself in the head with it, so don't do what I did. Oh, somebody missed.
That's how much something I would do.
So you're gonna plop it up in there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the most we've ever had in the 4 years they've done this. This is huge. So thank you.
See what did a good deed for the year. Alright, car time. All right, I think we've seen everything that's here.
Yep.
Do you have any favorites?
I don't know.
About that classic blue Mustang.
It was pretty. I liked
Your
it.
favorite? If we get a classic Mustang, that's what you want? Oh, we stopped for some coffee on the way. She got some hot cocoa.
Yum yum.
Yeah, it's definitely pretty cool today. We got a decent sized turnout. I'm hoping that when COVID's over, these shows will kind of get back to the true glory of them. Now, we don't really go to shows like this because you do have to pay to get your car in. Of course, I don't put mine in just because I know I lose. But overall, a lot of good classics. Yeah, a lot of variety. I like to see that instead of just all American cars. It was a good number of other things. You got a classic Mini over here. Got some Datsuns, new versus old. That's always a fun one. But we're about to head home because I really need to stay for the judging.
Let me see old men cry.
Yeah, that's the other thing I was telling her about. Some old men come to these and they basically throw fits because they don't win trophies. It happens quite a bit, actually.
I don't want to see that. That's just sad.
No, it's like this is a generation that rips on millennials for participation trophies, and then they're mad that they don't win a trophy. It is what it is, am I right? But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what car is your favorite. We got Mustang over here. I do like coming to these because then you see some cars and it's like that gives me ideas for what I want to do with my car. And then of course we're looking at getting her dream car in the future. So once we get, I know we're going to eventually get a show car for something like this. Definitely want to do that. So let me know in the comment section below what car is your favorite. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe because we're looking to continue bringing these vlogs and then eventually get a car for them. On that note, take care, have a good day.